And now try to answer my questions during the conversation. Every time I ask you a question, click on the spacebar and try to answer. Give me as long answers as possible. Thank you. How much time do you watch TV a day? Do you prefer dark or light colors? What smells good and bad to you? Do you like long trips? Does your mother live in a village? Would you give me some information about the best meal in your country? What will you be doing this time tomorrow? What is the difference between a town and a city? Do you ever take a taxi? How many times a week do you eat meat? And now write down. It will be better if I take a bus. He won't stay with her. He wants to stay with her. Who's gonna pay that? I don't have many friends at school. And now translate. His partner is very nice and kind. Everybody will have to eat it. She wouldn't say it to him. I'm not going to sell my house this year. Who wrote that? My husband will arrive at 5 p.m. You went over the limit. I think it was a very serious problem. They arrived when I was learning, so I had to stop. Monica will stay here till Friday. And now create sentences from following words. Place. During my studies. Short. Smell. Yet.